My name is Sergeant Marco Benito Tolentino. I am the Headquarters Battalion Armorer for Marine Forces Reserve. My job as an armorer is to make sure that all the weapons under my care are maintained at the highest state of readiness, always ready for either for deployment or for training. My duties as an armorer is to make sure 100% accountability of all weapons under my care and to make sure that the readiness is always kept. My job is important because I'm that first line that inspects these weapons before the Marines train with them or deploy with them. I make sure that all the parts are working and functioning so that way there are no mishaps with the weapons out there.
Stand by, target! Stop to your chest, one to the head.